I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed. I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I...
Oke bosku, saya bahas jerabang, spek detail kambing jerabang, kambing kepala merah, bakalan merah, super jerabang, masih muda, belum poel. Di sini sudah 1 bulan. Yang lainnya, tapi sekarang bahas detailnya yang banyak ditanyakan. TB bermodal meteran bos, tur bos. Wait, oh, loh, TB 60 ya bos, 70. Guys, itu 70. Kalau berat ya nggak tahu, nggak ada timbangan. Spek detail kepala ini bagus, ganteng. Sudah 1 bulan di sini, perkembangannya sangat pesat. Oh iya, jerabang kambing kepala merah jantan. Makanannya merah, agak banyak nih bakalan kepala merah. Ikut jerabang lagi sama jerabang rambut sapira, rambut kaca kan. Baru dapat tadi bos.